trying to unlink your debit card from Robinhood? Let's walk through it real quick. First, open the Robinhood app and tap the account icon at the top right corner. Scroll to linked accounts and you will see your bank and card connections. Find the debit card you want to remove and tap it. Then hit unlink. If the option is grayed out, it could mean your card is still connected to a pending transfer. Make sure you have completed all transactions before trying to remove your card to avoid errors. Are you switching banks or just decluttering your payment methods? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.